From the OBTV Live Weather Center, this is your Day Planner forecast with meteorologist Sam Riker.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam Riker. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your Day Planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven, located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8 in South Haven, of course, across from the water tower there on Getwell. Relax and enjoy the birds. Let's relax and enjoy this Day Planner forecast. At 8 a.m., skies should be sunny, 49 degrees, winds from the northeast today at 5 miles an hour. At noon, a delightful 72 degrees under sunny skies, and at 5 p.m., we're at 74 with sunny skies after a high today of about 76 degrees. I'm Sam Reichert. Have a great day.